Meaning of hereabouts.
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 Hereabouts. The term hereabouts is used to describe a general location or vicinity of a particular place or area. It refers to the surrounding region or nearby vicinity of a specific location without indicating an exact distance. The word hereabouts is most often used in casual conversations or in written texts to provide a rough idea of where something is located. For example, "I think the store is somewhere hereabouts" implies that the speaker believes the store is in the general area, but is uncertain about its precise location. Overall, hereabouts is used to give an indication of a general location without specifying an exact distance or direction.